Hello, this video is about analytics and how it works. I will explain the difference between rules and show you how to create, delete and schedule them. Let's start opening our VMS client. Choose the camera that you want to apply the rule. And click on the Analytics button at the right. Click on Create to create a new rule. Select the rule type in the drop-down menu. Don't worry, I will explain the difference between them at the end of the video. Type a short and a long description for the alarm. I will use parking lot as a description and parking lot west entrance as a long description, just as example. Now we have to draw our area of interest in the snapshot. Just use the mouse and click, forming the shape that you want. Note that for each rule, we will have a different way to draw the area. For motion, loitering, and arc detection, just draw any shape that covers the area of interest. For example, I am drawing a weird shape to illustrate how you can customize the way you want. For directional and bidirectional motion, we have to draw a line. The alarm will be generated when something crosses the line. Note that for directional, we have an arrow pointing to the direction that will trigger the alarm. For switch opening, we have to draw the closed position, represented by the yellow line, and the open position, represented by red line. Camera tampering doesn't require any draw, it will look the entire image. At any time you can redraw your area of interest. Below the snapshot, we have functions that allow us to fine-tune the detection for specific scenarios. We recommend you to use MOG as a segmentation model and keep the default values in Advanced tab. If those settings doesn't work for you, please contact us. Our support team will be ready to help you. You can delete the rule just pressing the Remove button. By default, all rules will work 24/7, but you can press the Scheduling button. Choose the rule in the drop-down menu. Right-click in the right area and add the time frame that works better for you, including the day of the week, start and end time. Now, let's talk about the difference between rules and explore some examples. Motion detection will look for movement inside the area of interest and ignore what happens outside. Directional motion will consider only if the object crosses the line in a specific direction. In this example, going right to left. Bidirectional will consider everything that crosses the line in any direction. Doesn't matter if the person is entering or leaving, it always alarms when crossing. Loitering will follow a person and alarm after a specific period. The time will only start counting when the person starts moving in the region of interest. Camera tampering will look the entire scene and detect if the image was blocked for some reason. Voltage arc detection will look for the pattern caused by an electric arc. Switch opening will scan for the switch opening movement. I skipped coupled rule. It's just a way to combine two rules in one alarm. Analytics is a very complex part of our system. If you still have any question or don't feel comfortable with the process, please contact us at Systems with Intelligence.